if you look at Surah Taha, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reveals an ayah in the Quran, the first 3 verses in Surah Taha. Surah Taha is the 20th surah of the Quran, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Taha, which is one of the names that Allah gave to the Prophet, Taha. You know, when someone is very beloved to you, you have nicknames for them. Taha, ma anzalna alayka al-Qur'an litashqa. Taha, we did not send down the Quran for you to be miserable, for you to suffer. Illa tadhkiratan liman yakhsha. Do you know why this ayah was revealed? This verse was revealed because the Prophet ﷺ, he would stand in worship at night for so many hours that his feet became swollen. He had so much love for Allah Azza wa Jal that, even the way that he would perform Salatul Layl is described. So Salatul Layl is 11 rak'ah. The Prophet, in the beginning of the night, he would pray 2 rak'ah and he would sleep for a period of time. And then he would wake up, do wudu and pray another 2 rak'ah. And then he would sleep. And then he would wake up again. He had this type of love relationship with Allah. When you're in love with someone, especially those who are newly engaged, they call their fiancé, and then they hang up, and then what happens after 5, 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes? They call again. I just wanted to hear your voice again. MashaAllah, how romantic, right? And then hang up. And then what? 15 minutes later, you call again. Why? What is this called? This is called love. This is how you express love. It's almost like a teasing game. That lovers, they tease each other. Then the Prophet goes, he prays, and then he comes back to sleep. Back and forth. And he would do this the entire night. Until it started to take a toll on his physical health. His feet became swollen. So Allah Azza wa Jal has to tell the Prophet, Taha, ma anzalna alayka al-Quran litashqa. Take it easy, Ya Rasulullah. That you don't need to spend the entire night. Yes, you have this love for me, but your body has limitations. Your body has limitations. Your soul wants to be close to me, but your body, you have to respect the limits of your body. So Allah Azza wa Jal, can you imagine? With us, Allah has to motivate us to worship. With the Prophet, Allah has to tell him to take it easy. It's the opposite.